Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're back out here at Silver Creek Gun Range, and I have a surprise for you today. I put together my first budget 300 Blackout. I had a couple of these New Frontier LW4, I think graphite and carbon fiber lowers kicking around.
Really high.